Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 2023 Nissan Z, and this is by Matchbox, and this is from their moving part series. And I bought this for $399, which is the MRP, and I bought this from Hamleys. So let's open and see how this one looks. Okay, let's just throw everything away. Okay, so here it is. So the initial impressions of this car are like, it looks okay, it is not that attractive. So it does have some irregularities in the paint here itself, as you can see. It is kind of some, what you can say, the plain paint got faded out. Okay, I hope you guys can see it clearly. Okay, so again, this one feels like a very cheap plastic. Actually, the body is made of metal and the chassis is plastic. So again, the tail lights are painted and headlights are also painted, as you can see here. So finally, so far whatever we unboxed, this one is having a grill detail, which is actual casting, like it's embossed. It's not like painted. Wow, one good thing you have done, metal. Congrats. Okay, let's open the doors here. The interior looks okay. It's not really that good. It looks okay. So the wheels are actually pretty standard for Matchbox. You can see these kind of wheels in the main lines as well. So it is not something exclusive to this moving part series. So good thing is they actually included the rear view mirrors. So it looks like they are finally adding this to all this moving part series. Here is a fuel cap that is also painted actually on both sides. Okay, this doesn't have any suspension or anything. Okay, let's do a roll test. So the rear wheel wobbles literally a lot. It's unbearable, For the price you are paying, this one is really unbearable. As you can see here. It is unbearable, man. So it's the worst. So it rolls a bit, it rolls good, I'm not going to say no, but it is the worst, it doesn't have that much good things going on here. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.